you to put on your listening ears. I want you to listen very, very carefully. And I'm going to give you clues in a poem. If you know the answer, don't shout it out. Just raise your hand. And at the very end, we'll say it together if we know. So let's listen. Here we go. What am I? My flavors are fantastic. I'm ordered for dessert. Be careful when you eat me. I might trip on your shirt. I cool you off in summer. I'm great with chocolate cake. I'm popular in soda. You'll find me in a shake. I'm made with cream and sugar. My taste is smooth and sweet. I'm kept inside a freezer. I always melt in heat. I'm topped with fudge and sprinkles. A scooper scoops me up. Enjoy me on a waffle cone or serve me in a cup. Count of three, let's shout it out. 1, 2, 3.
Ice cream!
Boys and girls, for getting my poetry riddle, everyone give yourself a pat on the knee.